Today we are going to discuss about the generic process framework activities that is applicable to the vast majority of software projects. Normally, a small number of framework activities are identified that are applicable to all the software project regardless of their size or complexity. It also includes a set of umbrella activities that are applicable across the entire software process. Now, the five generic process framework activities are communication, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. Now, the first phase, that is first framework activity, that is the communication, involves communication and collaboration with the customer and encompass requirements gathering and other related activities. Now, the second framework activity, that is planning, establishes a plan for the software engineering work that follows. Now, it normally describes the technical risks to be conducted, the resources that will be required, the work products to be produced, and of course, the work schedule. Now, the third framework activity is modeling. This activity encompasses the creation of models that allow the developer and the customer to better understand the software requirements and the design that will achieve those requirements. The next framework activity, that is construction, combines both the code generation and the testing that is required to uncover errors in the code. The fifth framework activities, that is deployment. In this framework activity, the software is delivered to the customer who evaluates the delivered product and provides feedback based on the evaluation. Now, these activities can be used during the development of small programs, large applications, and also for complex computer-based system. Although the details of the software process will be different, but the framework activities remains the same. Now, associated with these framework activities are the umbrella activities that are involved in the software process. Now, the umbrella activities that are involved in the process includes software project tracking and control, risk management, software quality assurance, formal technical reviews, measurement, software configuration management, reusability management, work product preparation, and production. Now, the first and the foremost umbrella activity, that is the software project tracking and control. It allows the software team to assess the progress and take action to maintain the schedule. Now, the second umbrella activity, that is the risk management, assess the risk that affect the product quality. Now, the third is the software quality assurance, that conduct activities that ensure the software quality. The fourth one is the formal technical reviews that assess the software engineering product to remove the errors before propagated to the next activity. The fifth one is the measurement that defines and collect process, project, and product measures that assist the team in delivering the software that meets the customer needs. Now, the next one is the software configuration management, which manages the effect of change during the software process. The next is the reusability management, which defines the criteria for product reuse and establishes mechanism to achieve reusable components. The last framework activity is the work product preparation and production. These activities are required to create work products such as models, documents, logs, forms, and lists.